Hello everyone. Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? I hope everyone is enjoying their day, and we are ready to start with our analysis here at MarketMinds Mastery, like every single day. The last it's been almost 5 months. So um, what's on the scope? Let's start with the Australian dollar, US dollar. In Australia, they reported the new interest rates. Actually, they kept them unchanged, and the Australian dollar got a bit of a boost. Actually, interest rates by the Reserve Bank of Australia kept at 3.35%. Now, what I expected to happen is a move kind of somewhere in this region. If the price won't break to the upside, then if it's going to break to the upside, we do expect to come and retest this area here. So we're going to trade long all the way up. But if we'll find some rejection at this point, somewhere there, we definitely expected the price to move lower. Okay, so keep this in mind, and yeah, maybe we're gonna find some good trades from this level here, 0.65. Now, this is the hourly time frame. That's the Australian dollar against the US dollar. The market didn't really explode after the interest rates report, and that's not very bullish. So I will still bet on the US dollar strength and the Australian dollar weakness. From the daily chart, guys, the market, it's seen a downtrend. Market makes lower highs and lower lows. So from now on, we are looking to go short on this particular one. Any questions? Maybe comments, observations by anyone? Chi Hong said it looks late, but I make it. You are just on time. He said, hello, friends. Hello. And thanks for joining us here. Next one, Euro US dollar. There is a support area we spotted at this point here, and the market reacted perfectly yesterday, and it gave us some good opportunities. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see the low here, and the market stopped and moved upwards. Now, based on this hourly time frame, there is a strong area of support around here, and you can mark it on your chart. Hello, Ahmed. I hope you're doing well, my friend. And yeah, this one here, guys. Support, inside support, break, retest, sold off yesterday from the London Open. And what I like on the Euro US dollar is that the price, it didn't really push higher. So there is still weakness in this market, and the expectations is to see some kind of move to the downside. maybe the move will come during the New York trading session. Maybe during the London session, the price will keep moving upwards. Okay, but afterwards we might gonna see the move to the downside. So let's keep an eye on that, guys. It looks like it's a good pair to find some opportunities today. Pound US dollar, and it's something we expected that to happen, but I commented yesterday on this live webinar, price was somewhere here, and I told you guys maybe it's better to wait because we don't know if the price will bounce upwards. We have two closes below this. During the New York session, one of the best opportunities was this weakness here. If you guys really start paying attention to the price action on the time frames, let's say, you can see you can spot some, you can create actually some kind of understanding. Zen asks, sir, could you guide me how to trade smartly? Guys, please take these lessons and market analysis here, that it's an excellent way to trade. Okay. So this is the hourly time frame. Pound US dollar. The price during the London session continue lowering, and it broke below this range finally. And this opportunity was during the New York session. The market slowed down, so we expected the reversal, the retracement. The market then created this dodgy candle, and within the New York session, we definitely understood that, hey, this market, at least for the next 30 minutes to 1 hour, it's going to decline, and that was an exceptional trade. Usually we put an entry point below the low of the previous candle, and we place our stop loss above the high of the previous candle. Any questions, guys? Any observations? Comments, perhaps? Maybe you have a different opinion, and I will be grateful and happy to listen to what you have to say. USD Swissy, the price created this bearish and bullish engulfing after the non-farm payroll, and the room of opportunity, we said it was from here to there. So after that, we have to wait for the price to break above this R1 resistance, and then we will look to target this R2 resistance. Guys, I would like you to understand that here we are retail traders, and retail trading, or if we are trading with prop accounts, or if we are trading with our accounts, we are still considered as retail traders. Why? Because we cannot move the market. If we cannot move the market, if we are not the main market movers, the traders that will create the directional moves, then how can we know when, and please pay attention to that, when that directional move will occur? How can we know that? How can anyone know that? If, let's say, you want to start moving from here to there, but to time this, you need to decide which time you're going to start moving from here, from point A to point B. If you are not the decision maker, at this point, when the price will kick off, then how would you know when this is going to happen? We don't know. And it doesn't mean that the price came at this area and automatically it's going to break to the upside or it's going to reverse. We need someone to guide us, and that someone is the price action. Guys, do you understand this? Any comments? What do you think about that? How do you see this? A said, I can't agree more. IT said that was interesting. Ahmed said, can we see 1.073 for euro US dollar today? Let's check that one. 1.073. 1.073. That's just below the open. And if you're trading on the, let's say, 4-hour time frame, you mean for the price to Ahmed, do you mean for the price to move upwards from here, or how do you interpret that? Because based on the overall market structure here, this support it's only from the daily chart. Okay, it's not a significant support created on the weekly or monthly time frame. And because just under there is a support created on the weekly time frame, maybe the market price is here, maybe it's going to move a little bit to the upside and decline. Okay, because overall the daily chart is down, market makes lower highs and lower lows, and we don't have any clue which support will create the reversal. I hope I answered the question. If it's still not clear, please let me know. USD JPY. Guys, what do you think about that? Are you a buyer or are you a seller? USD Yen. What do you expect to happen with this one? Price makes these higher highs. Please forget this move. This move is over. That was a downward move. Market now changed. It's been 1 month since the market changed, more than 1 month. So price now moves upward. Higher highs, higher lows here. Higher highs, higher lows. Price retraced back to the 61.8 fib that aligned with a weekly support, and it moved upward. Now it's sitting here at resistance. What do you expect to happen with this one? Well, the first thing we expect to happen is, if the move is strong, it's going to penetrate this resistance. Okay. So if the price moves upward, we're going to look to buy it, and we're going to target the 150. It's one of the best levels to look at on the on this one. 150, round number, psychological number. Everyone is looking on that. Okay, so please pay attention to this one. But if the price decline, here is what traders they get confused. If price declines from here, guys, it doesn't mean that a trend reversal will occur. Price declines, it's suspected to put it in a correction mode. A trend reversal will only occur if the price decline and move lower and take the low of this one. Now, some people, they will ask, okay, Theo, so are we going to stay here and waiting until this market will decide to penetrate this low, and what we're going to do from this point to that point. The answer, dear traders, is not simple. It's simple to say it, but it's very difficult to do it. This is the problem with retail traders, not with retail trading, with retail traders. They play around. Once they identify the opportunity, they think, or once they identify, not the opportunity, sorry, the market structure, they think that move is over. That's all. If we don't trade this right now, then we've done. In reality, that's not true, because the market showed you a clue of what it might gonna do next. Like, I will go back to the Euro US dollar, Pound US dollar, and Australian dollar US dollar. Why I want to go back to these ones? Because the price on the Australian dollar US dollar, it shows you that it's in a downtrend. If you don't take action and trade it to the short side, once the market shows you the clue that it's in a downtrend, then always you will be messing around with your trading, with your head, with your decisions, and as a consequence, you will start questioning your trading plan, and most important, you're going to question your ability as a trader, and that's bad. You don't want to question your ability as a trader. Or the Great British Pound US dollar. Market used to be in this consolidation for ages. Finally, it broke to the downside. The room of opportunity is from this support, was from this support, and it is until this support. And if it breaks below, it's until this support. So, of course, price makes lower highs and lower lows while it's in a downtrend. But we have to understand that because we didn't know that this bearish engulfing will create this breakout, and if someone says, no, I knew that, okay, you please send us some emails if you have this kind of information in the future to inform us, and we are happy to invest in your trading. So the market showed that this was a breakout. So we have to be patient and wait for the retracement. Go to the lower time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, 30 minutes, and find an entry point around an area that the market is likely to turn. That's the simple way of trading, guys. Does it make sense? Do you guys agree? Do you guys disagree? Zarbayat said yes, thank you, clear, but the overall trend on the daily is down, I assume. Yes, you assume very, very correct, my friend. Gold. What's going on with the gold? The price, let's go on the hourly time frame. You see the gold, guys, support, 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 retest, 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 and finally broke. Price is retesting this resistance now. It's like a textbook example, this one. If someone is trading from this swing high to this swing low, a Fibonacci maybe applies here. And the price, let's check, is sitting between the 61.8% and the 50% retracement. So it might be a good area to look for short. For me, I would like to see a bit more retracement here, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that the market will come all the way there. But based on my trading personality, I'm happy not to get into the trade if the trade doesn't fulfill all the criteria in my trading plan. Maybe for some people, this is the right time to enter the market. And that's totally fine. That's not an issue at all. You just need to be consistent. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, or no, the New Zealand Canadian dollar, and it's a screenshot I sent yesterday to our trading channel in Telegram, and I just want to make it very very clear. The channel is not a signal trading channel. We post setups because some people, they have different ways of reading the market, and here at MarketMinds Mastery, our goal and our mission is to help you develop as a skillful trader and profitable trader in the way you understand profitability, always considering that trading occurs many losses, and when leverage involved, things they get a bit complicated. So I'm not saying everyone will get profitable from trading. I'm just saying that with profitability, losses also are going side to side. That's the nature of trading, and just to be compliant, I have to mention both sides. Okay, so this area, New Zealand Canadian dollar, it's a very potential area of price reversal. So I will keep an eye on that one for some kind of reversal price action. Maybe this will give the opportunity, maybe during the New York session, when the Canadian dollar will be more active. For the rest, guys, EuroCAD, it's something we expected to see a directional move after the price broke below this area of support. Then it retested here, didn't manage to move lower. Then it pushed back upwards, didn't manage to move lower again. So it entered in a new consolidation area. So we expect to see a move to the downside. If that occurs, we will look for short. Aussie CAD, I'm waiting for the price to move a little bit higher, because here it's a totally empty space for the price to rally. If it's going to find support, it's going to be somewhere above here. I'm not in a rush to sell it now. I will be waiting for the price to rally a little bit, and then I will see again. I will evaluate the price action and the market behavior. Great British Pound, JPY, yesterday the price sold off, and since the New York trading session as well as the Asian session, the price is trading within this narrow consolidation. No directional move to the upside, no directional move to the downside. This move here and this move here show that the sellers are still in control. So a break to the downside, it's going to be more favorable on this one. Again, it's a bit aggressive because the market is not in a clear downtrend. Do you guys agree? Do you guys disagree? Do you have a different opinion? Again, I'm happy to hear what you have to how do you read the market? If you want, you can easily put your comments below. Euro Australian dollar, that's mixed, that's mess. We don't know what's going on. Not we don't know because we are unable to read the markets. We don't know based on what the market shows us in terms of uptrend, downtrend, and range. Euro Kiwi, pretty much nothing. Pound Australian dollar around this resistance, but that the price moved above the resistance. Now it's coming backwards. Many traders, they enter short from here with a stop loss there, and now they're out of the trade. Market move upward, now it's coming back. So maybe a break below this one will definitely helps us to move to initiate some trades to the downside. And German or DAX, German 30 or 40 or DAX 30, DAX 40, it's the same thing. It's a European index, one of the most tradable European index actually. Price made higher high, indicator make lower high at this resistance. Price action showed that the sellers, they were about to come 2 days ago, but yesterday the sellers didn't come. You see guys, the price action, very small candle. If the sellers were strong at resistance, this candle here would have pushed the market lower. Now the market didn't move anywhere. Yes, it's at resistance. The market doesn't have any pace, doesn't have any synchronization. That's why we expected the price to, if it's going to move lower, maybe it's going to take some time. Rarely the price just instantly moves lower from a resistance area or from a support to the upside. Usually it takes some time for transition. That's why you have to understand how the market operates at support and resistance, and how the market operates during trending phases. Okay, guys, I think we cover everything. A breakout trading here, maybe a break above this, still on the DAX, break above here, can see the market rally, break below here, we can see the market move, but that's trendless. It's a bit hard. I'm not going to try to be the brave in this market. Based on the daily chart, yeah, it's more bullish than bearish. Okay, I think we covered pretty much everything for today, guys. Again, one more time, thank you for your participation. Any comments, please feel free to add them on the chat, or if you need to contact me, my email, it's there. All the social media are there. You are free to join our Telegram channel. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and we post some setups there, and you can check them out. So guys, I would like to wish you to have a fantastic day ahead, like every day, and happy trading, of course, and I will see you all tomorrow at the same time. Thanks, everyone.